Hello, this is Julian Treasure, 5-time TED speaker, including one in the top 10 of all time. And I think they've in total got something like 100 million views on the internet now. All my TED Talks are about sound. I'm chairman of the Sound Agency. I wrote a book called Sound Business. And more recently, I wrote a book called How to Be Heard, which focuses on the sound of speaking and the sound of listening. And I'm looking forward to joining you at the D91 Spring Conference on Saturday afternoon around 3:30. I think 3:25 I'm speaking. And I'm going to be speaking to you about a crucial skill. A skill which underpins your ability to get your message across, whether in public or in private. A crucial skill that's even more important as we're in this period of lockdown. And that skill is listening. Listening underpins speaking. I'm going to explain to you why it is that if you want to be a great speaker, you need to be a great listener, why we don't listen, how we can listen better, and how to do that with some simple exercises. And at the end, I'm going to make a special, unbelievable offer just for you, the attendees to this conference. So I'm really looking forward to joining you Saturday afternoon, 3:25. I'll see you there.